Hi guys! So, iwan natin si Ford dito sa Ford Santa Rosa. Nandito na ako. Just a short story, we met an accident less than a month ago. Yun yung graduation ng anak ko. A car bumped into the back of my car because nabangga din siya nung car sa likod niya. So, nag-domino effect. So, ngayon, both of them, the two cars behind us, doesn't have an insurance. So, napagkasunduan namin na sige, insurance na lang namin ang gamitin to fix the car. Basta babayaran nila yung participation fee. So, ang hiningi sa akin ng insurance namin with this car is police report, my driver's license, ORCR, and then ORCR ng the vehicle at fault, and then yung driver's license na may 3 specimen signature. Actually, yung akin din na driver's license may specimen signature din. So, yun yung hiningi. And then, nagpa-repair estimate ako. So, yung repair estimate sa bangga sa likod is around 180,000. And then, na-approve the insurance is 156. Tapos, merong participation fee na kailangang bayaran na binayaran naman ni third party. Maliit lang siya actually. It's for 4 panels. Ang siningil is around 3,000 because fairly new pa yung car namin. So, ngayon iwanan ko to sa Ford para magawa nila. Sadly, per panel, it's 7 working days. So, tatagal siya ng more than a month. So, yun lang yung hassle about it. But, I know that the God is in control. Siya na yung bahala dito sa car na to. So, yun. Ayan guys, sorry, nakatay ni Lord kasi tinanong lang niya kung bakit tayo nakapark here. So, gagawin na itong car for body repair dito sa Ford. It's 7 days per panel. 4 panels yung nasira sa likod. So, i-replace yung iba. Pero kahit i-replace lang siya, kailangan pa rin pinturahan kasi blank panel yung gagamitin nila. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura sa likod. And then, hopefully, after magawa, mapakita ko rin sa inyo. So, ayun siya. So, yung process is, ayun, nag-submit ako ng requirements. Nagpa-schedule ako for repair estimate. So, by schedule siya dito sa Santa Rosa Ford. And then, pagka tingin nung examine, magpapadala siya ng repair estimate. Yung repair estimate na yun, ipapadala namin sa insurance. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, 180,000 yung repair estimate nila for our damage. Pero ang na-approve na insurance is 146. So, I'm not sure how does it work. Pero sabi naman ng insurance is gagawin nila yung nasira. And kung may additional pang cost, sila na yung mag-uusap ni Ford and sa insurance. So, I'm telling you kung ano yung narinig ko based on personal experience. So, disclaimer, hindi ako expert on insurance claim. This is my first time na mabangga and ma-claim ng insurance actually. So, ayun, gladly that it's covered because I'm not the one at fault naman. Ayun lang. So, if you want to know more about the repair of the car and if you have questions about insurance claim na kaya kong sagutin based on my experience as a customer, please just comment down below. Ayun lang. Bye. May template number. Ayan yung bangga. So, tanggal din to. Nasira yan. Hanggang dito sa gilid. Ayan.